Hi guys and girls, welcome to Tools in Action. I am AK TheJigstar, and today we'll be looking at the Stanley utility blade knife. Bought this years ago, one of my oldest, and won't say most used tool. I've been struggling to do this video because I'm just tucked into a whole packet of McVitie's digestive biscuits, milk chocolate, yummy. Funny because the heir to McVitie's, Jamie, whatever his face is, McVitie, I bump into him a lot down my local Sainsbury's in Chelsea, and I just realised, because I don't really eat this crap garbage, but for some reason today I decided to tuck in. There's £1 on discount, so look, you can see the whole packet is being rinsed out, and yeah, I thought I'd just give a little hint as to why this video is an epic fail. Anyway, back on. Here we go, looking at the Stanley and the chocolate fingers. I can't lick them because I've got 2 fingers as well. So I got this one hand. There you go, here's my very first utility blade. Still going strong. If we pull this here, I'll show you. Sticking it in, still there. We push it down to there. You can see, dug in. You can see it right there. Still there. So it's a very sturdy utility blade. And you can really push it in. I had to pull that back out again, still there. Put it up on. And there you go. Fully extended. I'm really sticking it in. Oh. I had to really dig that out. And there you go. So, great little tool. You can open it up quickly. So you can see the inside mechanism. Pretty basic. Pull that back. And you can see that's the inner chamber. Press that down. Slot that in. And there you go. That's simple. Yeah. Really great little tool. It's basic plastic, but I've had it a long time, and I don't use it as often as I used to when I first got it. However, every now and then, I'm short of a utility blade, and this little baby comes to my rescue. So, great little device, or tool, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's also very good. Anyway, very sturdy. So for a bit of cheap plastic, and if you're just looking for a utility blade, you get this. But if you want something better, then there's many other utility blades on the market. But this has served me for a long time, and it's still in good nick. There's a Stanley brand, patent pending. Who knows whether they got it through or not, or they still do this make or model. I have no idea. However, one thing I can say is that for a bit of cheap plastic and metal, this is really, it's stood the test of time. It's really good. Doesn't retract. Solid. Great design. So hey, thanks for watching and goodbye.